Hi, it's Alex from Tutoring Heroes again, and today we're going to look at some maths together. Let's go and take a look and see what we're doing.
In this short lesson, we're going to look at fraction walls. Fraction walls are a pictorial way of showing us how different fractions can be equal to other fractions. Here is an example of a fraction wall that you can find online. There's loads that you can print out, and they can help us to find equivalent fractions. So our checklist today is going to be to find the starting fraction on the fraction wall. You'll then use a ruler to see if you can find any matching lines with that fraction. You count the number of fraction bricks to the line, and then you write your answer. So when we talk about equivalent fractions, sometimes we get a bit confused when we just see the fractions as a number. Here I have half of a cake, which is the same as 2/4 of a cake. If I told you I was going to give you 2/4 or a half of a cake, you would know you would have the same. This is called an equivalent fraction. You're getting the same amount. So if we look at our fraction wall, let's see if there are any other equivalent fractions for half. So I find the starting fraction, and if you look, there on the pink line, on the second line down is my half. I draw a ruler on that line, and then I cast my eyes down and see if any of the lines match up with that ruler line. And if I cast my eyes all the way down to the quarters, I then have to count the number of fraction bricks to get to the line. So there's 1, 2 quarters. I then go down and I see if there's any other lines that are on the exact same line as my ruler, and I notice there's 1 on the 6. So I count the number of bricks to get to that line, and there are 3/6. I do the same again for eighths. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths. There are none of the 9s because it's going halfway through, but the tenths, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenth bricks to get to the line. And the last one I can see is all the way down at the bottom in the 12ths. The ruler line is matching up with the line on the 12th brick, so I count how many bricks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twelfths. These are all equivalent fractions. They are showing the same amount for half. Now you can have a go. Have a look at 3/4. So you count 1, 2, 3 of the quarter bricks. You draw a line. You cast your eyes down and see if any of the bricks line up with that line. So if I have a look, I can see that the eighths are lining up. So can you count how many there are? Yeah, there's 6 eighths. So you write down your answer. Have a look again at your ruler line. Are there any other fraction lines that are lining up with your ruler line? Yeah, the 12ths are. Can you count how many 12ths there are? Yeah, you're right. There are 9 12ths. These are all equivalent fractions, which means they are showing the same amount. And there we have it, how to use a fraction wall. Remember, find the starting fraction, use a ruler to match the line up to that fraction, count the number of the bricks that go up to that line, and then write your answer. I hope this has been a helpful lesson to know how to use a fraction wall in the future.
Thanks for watching this video today, brought to you by Tutoring Heroes.